Welcome to the newly updated GRADSENSE platform. This is your modernized central hub for managing engineering final year projects at UITM. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through the new logging process and show you the exact steps to assign a project co-supervisor. Completing this assignment immediately allows both supervisors to access the shared workspace, track student milestones, and begin joint assessments without delay. Before we start, make sure you have your official @uitm.edu.my credentials ready and take a moment to update your browser bookmarks to the new platform URL. Configuring your access now ensures your project data is correctly synced and accessible to your entire supervisory team for the upcoming semester. Looking at the new login page, you will see a modernized split-screen layout. Navigate to the right side of the screen and click the Google Sign-In option. Ensure you use your official university account. The platform strictly requires the @utm.edu.my domain for faculty access and will block personal emails. Authenticating through this method grants you immediate password-free entry directly into your main project dashboard. By using single sign-on, you can reach your student lists quickly without the need for manual password resets. Once you are inside the main dashboard, look to the top navigation bar and click the Guidelines tab. Here you will find the Lecturer Guide. This is your primary reference for managing student enrollment requests and reviewing grading rubrics. On this same page, you will notice the newly embedded AI chatbot assistant. You can ask the chatbot for instant, context-aware answers to complex workflows, such as guiding a student through the thesis progression from MEC 601 to MEC 602. With this embedded support system, you have access to workflow assistance whenever you need to resolve administrative questions during grading windows. Methodical. Now, return your attention to the central project dashboard view. Open the Project Manager menu on your screen and select the Project List option. Here, you can scan through the active project cards to locate a specific enrolled student's project. Click directly on the target project card, and the detailed student profile page will open. This centralized project list serves as your single source of truth for tracking student deliverables and checking assignment statuses. Scroll down the student profile page until you locate the Co-Supervisor section. As we look at this interface, click to open the Manage Co-Supervisors modal window. Inside the modal, there is an informational alert box. We need to review the 3 system rules listed here. First, the system enforces a strict maximum of 2 co-supervisors per project. Second, assigned co-supervisors are granted delegated authority to submit marks on the main supervisor's behalf. Third, the main supervisor is restricted and cannot be added as their own co-supervisor. With those rules in mind, click the search box labeled First Co-Supervisor and begin typing a staff member's name. Identify the correct staff member from the live drop-down menu and click their name to confirm the selection. You do not need to look for a Save button. Notice the subtle confirmation text at the bottom of the modal indicating that changes are saved automatically. Finalize the configuration by clicking the Done button to close the window. These system constraints prevent role conflicts while immediately allowing your co-supervisors to contribute to the project's assessment. Now that the modal has closed, you will see the newly assigned co-supervisors visibly listed right here on the student's profile. The assignment is live. These co-supervisors now have immediate access to the shared project workspace. The entire instructional team can now open the standardized rubrics and begin grading the student collaboratively. From here, you can also explore the broader capabilities of the dashboard, such as viewing platform-wide analytics or generating continuous quality improvement reports. Completing this configuration today establishes the shared workspace your team needs to manage and grade this project throughout the term.